Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your grooming routine, the King C Gillette Cordless Beard Trimmer Grooming Kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what this beard trimmer has to offer. The King C Gillette Cordless Beard Trimmer is designed specifically for men who value precision and versatility in their grooming tools. It comes with a sleek design and a rechargeable battery, giving you the freedom to trim your beard without being tethered to a wall. One of the standout features of this trimmer is its 3 interchangeable comb attachments. These combs cater to various beard lengths. There's a stubble comb for a close 1 mm trim, a short beard comb that ranges from 3 to 11 mm, and a long beard comb that goes from 13 to 21 mm. This means whether you're looking to maintain a clean stubble or grow out a longer beard, this trimmer has you covered. Another key feature is its cordless design. The rechargeable battery provides up to 50 minutes of trimming time on a single charge, which is quite impressive. What's more, you won't experience any performance loss as the battery drains, making it reliable for those last-minute grooming sessions before heading out. Durability is also a significant factor when it comes to grooming tools, and the King C Gillette trimmer does not disappoint in this aspect. It features long-lasting sharp blades that deliver clean and precise cuts, regardless of your beard style. You can trust that this trimmer will help you achieve that well-groomed look without the fear of snagging or pulling. Cleaning your grooming tools is essential for maintaining hygiene and prolonging their lifespan. The good news is that the trimmer's head and combs are washable, allowing for easy cleaning under running water. This feature is particularly convenient for those who lead busy lives and may not have time for elaborate maintenance routines. So, who is this trimmer suitable for? If you're someone who takes pride in your beard and wants a tool that can adapt to various lengths and styles, this grooming kit is for you. Whether you're a bearded man who prefers a rugged look or someone who likes to keep it clean and tidy, this trimmer accommodates all styles effortlessly. In terms of practical use cases, the King C Gillette trimmer is perfect for daily grooming, touch-ups, or even special occasions. If you're getting ready for a date or an important meeting, having a reliable trimmer on hand ensures you look your best. Plus, the included travel bag makes it easy to take your grooming kit with you, whether you're heading to the gym, traveling for work, or going on vacation. Overall, the King C Gillette Cordless Beard Trimmer Grooming Kit stands out for its versatility, convenience, and quality. It's a solid investment for anyone serious about their beard care routine. With its range of comb attachments, impressive battery life, and ease of cleaning, you're likely to find this trimmer to be a valuable addition to your grooming arsenal. Thanks for watching. If this video